Deputy Chief Minister PRESTONE on Thursday briefed newspersons on various issues concerning the state of Meghalaya. On the damaged bridge at SONARPUR, PRESTONE informed that as per the report by the chief engineer, who is also the project director, an estimated period of 4 to 5 days would be required for repairs to the damaged bridge to be completed.
Well, you see, this is an old history because that particular bridge was constructed by BRO. Then BRO handed over to National Highway. So more or less it is maybe like that Duarksui bridge. But of course the damage is not that much. That's why they have, the expert came all the way from Delhi, team of people from National Highway and from the Ministry of Road Transport. And then the conclusion is immediate repairing has to be done. And maximum will be about maybe 45 days, they'll be able to complete it. And then restoration of movement will take place.
When asked about the revamping of the power distribution in the state, the Deputy Chief Minister informed that a detailed project report has been submitted to the concerned ministry and an amount of Rs 2,500 crores has been estimated for the particular project.
Revamp distribution scheme, we have already submitted our detailed DPR to the ministry, and the ministry right now through REC, they are screening point by point, line by line, or DPR, and maybe very soon we'll be able to know exactly how much they are going to sanction for the reformation of the distribution system in our state. But we already submitted the DPR of 2,500 crores. 2,500 crores DPR has been submitted. So I don't say that we get full amount, but for that, until checking, screening of the DPR is completed by REC, I can't say anything on that. So ultimately, as I said too, once REC completed their screening of the detailed DPR, then they will send to the ministry, and then we will know exactly how much sanction will be given to us.
While the All India Trinamool Congress, Meghalaya, has alleged that of late militant activities in the state are on the rise, the state's Deputy Chief Minister, PRESTONE said that such allegations are absolutely baseless. He added that the intelligence wing of the state police is strong and in place, and therefore the culprits were caught just a few hours after the recent IED blast at Police Bazaar, Shillong.
You see that statement again made by the spokesperson of AITC. I think he has to first see properly before he talk. If you say that we fail, as far as the Home Department is concerned, I think they have given the best in their services, and the proof is what? Now, immediately, they were able to nab even the culprit or the criminals or whoever involved in this type of blasting. So therefore, you see, you cannot say that the government has failed. We are pulling up our police forces, and we already given the instruction that all police personnel be alert and be ready for any eventuality, because we wanted to make sure that peace, tranquility is always there in the state of Meghalaya. Means people, be it children, be it women, be it old people, they can walk freely, they can live freely, and they should not think that if I go to Police Bazaar or I go somewhere else in Shillong, I may not be able to come back home. So this is what we are doing, and I'm sure government will be able to do it. And I really appreciate the services made by the police force in the state of